You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, the name of this brain disease. If you want to learn medical terms, stay tuned. There are two different pronunciations for it that are referenced and accepted in English. Reye's syndrome, yes, Reye's, but also Reye's syndrome. It was named after an Australian physician called Douglas Reye. It might have been Douglas Reye. I couldn't find any reference on how his name is pronounced, but for the syndrome, it's Reye's syndrome or Reye syndrome. Both pronunciations are accepted and therefore correct. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.